What up, what up, what up? Welcome back to my channel, man. Welcome back to Blues Views. What we got in store today, man, we got to take it to the kitchen, man. While searching Facebook and some other pages, I ran across something that looked real good. So I decided, you know what, let me get in the kitchen, let me try it out, let's see what's going on. I'm not the primary cook in my house. That would be the wife. And help me in the comments, man. Encourage her. I'm trying to get her to get on video. Let's do some videos. Let's cook some stuff up. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna work on her. We're gonna pray with her about that. Until the end, man, check out this real easy, quick recipe for enchilada meatballs.
I don't know how long it's gonna take me, but I'm gonna stay focused on my grind. I won't let none of this shit fade.
So I saw a recipe for enchilada meatballs on the Facebook, and I wanted to try it out. Only difference is I cheated. I bought some pre-done meatballs, mainly because it has this cheese already in it, and I like it, and I want to try that. Some other ingredients. We got our enchilada sauce. We have seasoning. We have cheese that we may not need because we didn't do this the right way. Then we're going to add some salt, pepper. What else am I forgetting? Onion powder. And yeah, we'll see how that works out. So because I didn't do my meatballs the right way, I decided to mix all the containers in here. All the contents that's supposed to be like mixed in before you roll it up into one little bowl. And I think what I'm going to do is just roll them around in there. So still get that same kind of situation, but just differently. And I'll just roll them around in here, get them nice and sauced up, and put them on my pan. So, if you can't tell, I'm not the cook in my family. That'll be the wife, but I don't know why she's fighting me on starting a cooking YouTube channel. We're gonna pray for her. But until then, we got you got my gourmet dishes. All right, so we got them in here. We're gonna bake these up. We're gonna bring them back out, and we're gonna finish up the recipe. All right. Okay, so we're gonna bake these in the oven. We're gonna do 375 only because I didn't do my own meatballs, so we're gonna switch up. But generally it calls for a 400 degrees. We'll toss these in for about 15 minutes. Take those out and we'll see how they do. All right, let's see what we got. Ooh. First level is complete. We should probably turn that off, but we'll get to it. And we'll go from here. Finished product. Put some grated cheese on it. Served it with some garlic bread. And that's it. And real quick, real simple, real easy, man. A little hat and get you guys, you know what I'm saying, roll tide as usual, man. But simple recipe. Hit me in the comments in the comment section if you like that. Like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff that I never say do, man. And we'll holler at y'all next time, man.
Home run, bad vibe. We wanna win, we ain't trying to lose. You must humble yourself, you need balance.